We are actively building the next evolution of Divi AI, and it is super exciting. We are creating the Divi AI agent workflow, the same type of agent workflow that has revolutionized so many other industries, such as software development, and soon, over this next year, it's going to really change how you work in Divi. So let me give you an early sneak peek of what we have so far. Divi already has many AI tools, but they are very specific and very binary. Input in, output out. You give it a prompt, you get text output or code output or an image output. But what we're working on now is completely different. It's an agent-based workflow where a team of autonomous agents can essentially achieve a given task because it has all the tools that you have as a designer inside the builder, and it can essentially act on your behalf. At this point, we've done most of the hard work, the infrastructure is in place, and it's just a matter of creating more tools for the agent and iterating over time. At this stage, the AI agent has many tools. It can add, delete, move, edit modules. It can create global variables. It can create presets. It can navigate the UI. So let me just give you a few concrete examples of how this agent might be helpful to you as a web designer. So I have this page and it's filled with colors, but it's not taking advantage of Divi 5's variables. And I want to change that. I want to change all of these colors to color variables. So that's a great task for the new AI agent. So I'm going to open up the AI agent and I'm going to ask it to search this page for all static colors and then create some color variables with some applicable names. So it's already parsed the page and identified all the unique colors, and then it passed the task off to the settings agent that has the tools to create variables, and then it just created these 3 variables for me. And if I open up the variable manager, I see that these 3 new color variables have been created. So that was super easy. We have our color variables. Next, I want to put them to use, but instead of going through this page module by module and swapping out static colors with our new color variables, I'll just ask the agent to do that work for me, audit the page, find all of these static colors. If any of them match a global color, then swap it out so that the whole page uses our new color variables. So it's identified all these static colors on the page. Next, it's going to check all of our color variables. It's found all the color variables and matched them to the static colors. Now it's passing things off to the module agent, which has the tools necessary to edit modules and update those colors. All right, it's made the changes, and if I open up these modules and check the colors, you can see that they're now using the color variables. Our focus for this first phase of the Divi AI agent is really to augment your workflow, not necessarily build websites for you. But there's definitely a future where the Divi AI agent can create designs for you in a much more nuanced way than the old Divi AI layout builder. So we're not really there yet, but I want to give you an example of how the agent can build things. It's pretty cool. So let's open up the AI agent, and I'm going to ask it to create a team member section for me, along with a few nuanced instructions to use a serif font and apply a box shadow to the team members. So let's see how it does. So you can see it's starting to develop the page now, and you can actually watch it work like a human. So it's adding each module one by one. Good, so it added the team member modules. It used a serif font like I asked. It applied the 20px border radius to the image and even added the box shadow. So it did a pretty good job. And from here we could iterate on the design. Obviously this needs some padding, so let's ask it to add 30 pixels of padding to all 3 team member modules. That looks a bit better. And then let's also add 20 pixels of border radius to the team member modules as well. Cool. Looks good. All right, let's try something else. I have these 2 blurb modules, but I want to replace them with individual image, heading, and text modules instead, so that I have more control. So I'm going to ask the AI agent to do that for me, take each of these blurb modules and transform them into a composite of image, heading, and text. So it's starting to add the elements. It created an image, heading, text. It's maintaining not only the content, but also the text styles. Now this is an example of when we have potentially destructive actions happening. This isn't particularly destructive, it's just deleting a module, but for example, let's say the AI agent had the power to delete a preset or something like that. We want to make sure that it can never do something potentially harmful without you approving. So here's an example of how that system might work. I'm going to give it permission to delete the original modules. And it has successfully completed the task. It took those 2 blurb modules, transformed them into image, heading, and text modules, and then deleted the original blurb modules. I realize that these haven't been super exciting demos. This is very much a kind of boring technical demonstration, but when you think about what is actually happening here, it's pretty mind-blowing. And if you fast forward a couple months when we've added more and more tools for this agent, you can kind of see where we're heading. You can kind of see the future of developing websites with Divi. And it's already incredibly useful. There are already so many situations where this AI can do the work for you so much faster, and you don't have to sit there and watch it. You can open up a tab and say, hey, I have like 200 presets on my website and I need to change some colors. Go change all of the green color to this new orange color variable. That might have taken you hours, but the agent can just do it for you in a couple minutes, and you don't have to waste your time. So that's what's exciting. This new AI agent, it's not a replacement for web designers. It's like a boost. It's augmenting your workflow. It's there with you in the builder, and it can do all the things that you can do. So let me know if you're excited about this. It's an incredibly important update. It's incredibly important that Divi embraces this new way to work, because it's the future.